Alam naman natin parang may mga, nagsabi mo na you also like my mind. Ito ba, you personally told her din? Napag-usapan niyo ba ito?
For us, nothing has changed. We're just, because there are enough things changing for us already. For all the housemates who enter PBB in general, everything has changed for them. Nothing has changed for us. I mean, nothing has changed. I mean, my Kisses, Young, they're the people. I think I know them better than I know my best friends back home.
Wow.
But don't tell them that, they'll get angry. Pero, sila talagang people, tao that I trust the most in my life. So, nothing has changed.
Okay, tapos, ano ba ang iyong dream project? What's your dream project?
Yung point na talagang, yung lahat yung mga perma, talagang tinitingnan ko bago ako matulog. Lahat ng pelikula
Actually, I don't know. I haven't thought about this. Siguro drama, but together with my idols.
Who are these idols that you want to work with?
Si Enrique Hill and Daniel Padilla. But I think, Enrique Hill, I've always wanted to be like supporting actor, like the best friend of the main character. Like, for example, if it's a love story and he doesn't get with the girl, I want to be the one that's like, don't be a baby, go! Because that's I usually am with my friends back home. So yeah, that's one of my favorite.
So kung mabibigyan ka ng chance, gusto mo ganon, and then yung main star sila, Daniel Padilla, Enrique. Wow, okay. And then, what's next for Edward?
Make-up na complete.
Hindi ko po alam. Talaga, I don't know. Actually, I don't know where I'm going after this. So, where I'm staying, I don't sleep, where I'm sleeping. So, everything's really unsure at the moment. Pero, there are a lot of different things that come into play. My family, accommodation, pera, there's a lot of things, opportunities. So, at the moment, I really don't know. Pero, the choices are, I go home. But for kahit nangyari, for the next 3 months dito na sa Pilipinas.
So, for the next 3 months you're staying here in the Philippines?
March, June, March, April, May, June. Until August.
But do you have plans? For example, okay naman ang career. Do you want na mag-extend na lang dito?
Again, things come into play, but I would love to stay here.